Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So today can we learn SQL? Okay. So before dive into the definition of SQL, we need to know what is a database. Okay. So database means it's a collection of data. Okay. So database, there are two types of databases. One is a relational database and another one is a non-relational database. Relational database means here data is stored in tables. Okay, what is a table? Table is it contains rows and columns, right? Okay, and also here there is some relation between these tables. That's why we are calling these databases relational databases. Okay, so examples like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. That are the examples of relational databases. So these database, right, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, these databases differ in their functionality or features. Okay, there can be some differences in the functionality or features when compared to other database. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what is a relational database. So relational database, here data is stored in table like with rows and columns, and also there is some relation between the table. That's why we are saying that's a relational database. Okay, so we can move on to non-relational database. So here it is not in like table like format. Here they are using they are storing and organizing data in a more flexible format like documents, key value pairs, graphs, white column stores, etc. So here there is no relation between the data. Okay, so here I just given the example. This is the key value format. Just like in the case of JSON, we are using this key value format. So examples of non-relational database are HBase, MongoDB, etc. Okay, so we are calling non-relational database also known as NoSQL. Okay, I hope you guys understood till now. Okay, so we can move on to the definition of SQL. So we know that in relational database, we are storing the data in table-like format, right? So we need to interact with this database. So how we can able to interact with this database? We need some language, right? Okay, so that language is SQL. So SQL means structured query language. It's a language used to interact with relational databases. Okay, next we can move on to SQL commands. It is DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL. Okay, we can see each one separately. What is DQL? DQL means data query language. It is used to retrieve the data from the database. If we need to retrieve the data from the database, we are using DQL, that is data query language. Example, select. Okay, next is DDL, data definition language. It is used to define or modify the database structure. Examples like create, alter, drop, truncate. Okay. Next, we can move on to DML, that is data manipulation language. It is used to manipulate data within the tables. Okay. Examples like insert, update, delete. Next is DCL, that is data control language. It is used to control access to the data. Examples grant and revoke. Next is a TCL, that is transaction control language, which is used to manage transactions in the database. Examples like commit, rollback, and save point. So first we can see how to create a database. Okay, so first we need to create the database. After that we need to create the table. Inside that we need to insert the data. Uh, so first we can start with creating the database. So now just I'm checking what all databases are available. So I'm giving show databases. Okay, sorry, databases. So these are the available database. So I'm creating one database. Okay. So create database, database name. GinCDB I'm giving. So it got created. We can check whether it is created or not. Okay. How to check? Show databases. So we can see GinCDB, right? Okay. So if we need to create a table inside this GinCDB database, what we need to use? We need to use GinCDB. Okay. So now, so we need to check which database we are using now. Then we need to use select data. Yeah. So this is GinCDB. So our current database which we are using is GinCDB. Okay. So I'm creating a table. Create table. I'm creating an employee table. Employee. So I'm giving three fields like ID, employee name, and employee salary. Okay. So ID I'm giving as int because IDs are numeric, right? So that but we can give varchar also. But now I'm giving int. Okay, because I'm giving numeric values. ID name. Name I'm giving varchar because it's string, right? So varchar of 50 characters I'm giving. Okay. Then salary I'm giving as a decimal format. Decimal of 10 as the maximum. A maximum number, and 2 is after the decimal point. Okay. So I'm giving. So I created the table. Okay. So now I'm checking uh, whether the table is created or not. So I'm giving show tables. So we can see employee. Okay. For example, if I need to describe the table, what I need to use it is DSC table name, employee. So this is the description of the table. Okay. Next, I need to what I need to do. I need to drop the table. So drop table, table name, employee. Got dropped. Now next I'm checking short tables. No table because we dropped the table. Next I'm dropping the database. Mm, sorry. Drop database name. Drop database, database name. Jincy DB. Got dropped. So we can check whether it is dropped or not. Share show databases. So we can't see Jincy DB. Because it got dropped. So I hope you guys understood till now. So we can learn the an insert command, update, delete, drop. Drop you already learned, right? So update, delete, and all in the next class. So if you guys have any doubt, please comment. I will answer. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Bye.